Dawn drops like a cue ball in a slippery corner pocket. My slit-eye peeks at you while you're trying to sneak away. Your morning eyes are cracked like a half-moon lemon shade. I want to hold you back, but I barely whisper, won't you stay? The dust is hot and settling on the freckles of your skin. I know how much you hate this talking time, so I'll make believe I'm sleeping when you creak the door goodbye, and then I'll drown us in a sip of dirty wine. Dirty wine, dirty wine. I'll make believe I'm sleeping and I'll drown us in a sip of dirty wine. Mary has a little lamb, she tries to keep it white, and little Lammy up and disappears about the same time every night. Black crow on the talking wire, when the morning rolls around, says I never saw a thing, baby, I never heard a sound. And now it's me and Mary lying here barely touching skin, wondering what she's gonna say this time. So I make believe I'm sleeping when she creaks the door goodbye, and then I drown us in a shot of dirty wine. Dirty wine, dirty wine. I make believe I'm sleeping, then I drown us in a shot of dirty wine. My mind's still mumbling lullabies to steamy twisted sheets, and Mary's on her mission marching up and down the street, passing all the pretty horses and all the good king's men, wondering if she'll ever see that little lamb again. And I spend another lonely day dancing on a wall to the music of this twisted valentine. And when Mary class to meet me, we dance closer to the edge, and then we dive into a cup of dirty wine. Dirty wine, dirty wine. Mary class to meet me, and we dive into a cup of dirty wine. Dirty wine, dirty wine. We dance closer to the edge, and then we dive into a cup of dirty wine.